Hello, here is Kangaroo question 2019 for grade 5 and 6. Question number 8. The smallest odd natural numbers are written on the faces of a dice. 20 through 3 times and adds the results. Which of the following numbers cannot be the sum? We know that the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. If we throw the dice 3 times, so we have a result, the second, the third. The first and the third and the second, all of them must be odd because all of these numbers is odd numbers. So the first must be odd, the second odd, the third odd. If I have to add all of them, we know that odd plus odd give me even. For example, if I need to add 1 plus 3 will be 4. But if we need to add even and odd, it must be odd. So, without using these numbers, just mentally odd and odd even and another odd will be finally odd. So all of these numbers are odd except 20 is the even number. Cannot be, so that's mean cannot be 20. I will find 1, 1, 1. Their sum must be odd, 3. But impossible to find an even number like 20, so cannot be the sum like that. Okay, thank you.